Soren follows up, can my spouse submit an I-130 petition before we have enough evidence of bona fide marriage, such as a lease together? Some lawyers have a policy of only doing the bare minimum when they submit Form I-130. This means they only send the marriage certificate and the forms and nothing else, as well as evidence of U.S. status. I don't go by that policy. I'd like to make sure the case is strong on its own and not send it naked in that sense. So that's just my policy. There's reasons for that. One of the main reasons is just, securing the record, having things on record, so in 5, 10, 15 years, if they ask for documents when they're no longer there, at least we have them in the file. So I think that's the proper policy. I don't believe what the lawyers do, but a lot of big name, famous immigration lawyers just do the bare minimum at the filing. Now, if you don't have a lease agreement together, that's not the biggest deal. A lot of people don't have joint lease agreements and stuff. We got to see what the other evidence is and how strong they are. I go through some samples of evidence in the guide at marriageimmigrationlaw.com, the ultimate marriage green card guide. So go check out the guide and see what's there. But just not having a lease agreement by itself is not the biggest deal. Sometimes you could bring it later to an interview or supplement the record in some way. But we want to see what other documents you have to make up for that, so it just makes the lease not needed. I don't always have couples submit leases. Many times they're not on the lease. For example, if they get added to the lease, their rent will go up in price. And some lawyers will say, yeah, go do it, I don't care, I want more documents. But in my opinion, I don't want you to spend $100, $300, $400 extra a month in rent just to get a piece of paper for a green card. You probably have other documents you can get that are joint, and so I'd focus on getting those and not adding increased costs to you and your life. Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.